Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am standing in Halifax Madani Masjid. Near the Madani Masjid, there is the Halifax Community Fridge. This is a project inspired by myself from the year 2020 during lockdown period, where I mentioned that some of the Masajid should have fridges and food to support local community people who need food, people who need food banks in their local area. They have many projects here like community tea cuppers. They give winter coats out. This is for people who are below the poverty line here in the UK. Now the purpose of me making this video is that Madani Masjid, or more specifically Halifax Community Fridge, is offering other masajid to replicate this. They will supply you with everything, with the fridge, with everything that you need, how to carry out the project, how to supply the project with the food supplies. So this is a message for all the masajid across the UK that inshallah contact Halifax Community Fridge, and inshallah ta'ala they will supply you the information that is relevant. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to enable the Muslims of Britain to lead the way in these type of projects.
मुस्तफ़ा करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ये अजीम सुन्नत पाक है। किसी की भी इस किस्म की हेल्प करने से, भूखे को खाना खिला देना, प्यासे को पानी पिला देना, ये बहुत बड़ी सआदत की बात है। अल्लाह हर मुसलमान को हुस्न तौफीक से नवाजे। और ये जान करके भी खुशी हुई कि इसकी बरकत से कितने लोग दामन इस्लाम से वाबस्ता हो चुके हैं। अल्लाह ताला हमारे और अहबाब को हुस्न तौफीक दे। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।